PSG no sabi me oh. I go just crash their club. Everybody go their papa house.
You sef, wetin dey hungry you no dey market?
You no go mind your dirty business, abi?
Na my business I dey mind so. No be me and you dey this PSG wey wan crash so. Oversized baby like you. Na to dey wear pampers remain for you.
Which kind nonsense talk this one dey talk?
No be you say make dem carry PSG give you. Dem give you a whole club. You play with am. Now you wan throw away am.
Yes na. I don tire to play with am.
You see am? No be so small pikin wey dey wear pampers dey behave. They don carry 1 billion give you. You push am comot. Say if no be Madrid, the world go end.
So you want me future world best like me to go dey play Araha football for Saudi Arabia?
Any small thing you go dey call yourself future world best. You think say na like this dem dey take carry world best? This year Ballon d'Or you no go still carry am. Na so you go dey call yourself future world best until you reach 75 years.
I no blame you. Dembele go soon come make you and am dey share hospital bed. Make you no for dey lonely for hospital. Since na where you and I won't finish na career. You think say any club go like buy expensive player wey go dey service their hospital bed? Na only PSG fit do am. And na why dem buy partner for you?
No let make I swear for you, because he go follow you anywhere where you go. You think say Madrid go comot that kind money to buy spoiled brat like you? Even though them get the money, but them no go try am. I even pray make you go there safe, so that them go discipline you small. I know so Oga Perez no go allow you to misbehave like this.
If them no buy me this transfer season, I go wait till next summer. Waka go there free of charge.
And you think say PSG go just gree you waka comot like that?
Wetin dem wan do if no be to hug transformer?
Them go leave you for bench throughout the whole season, and you go spoil your career.
E go spoil their bank account pass my career. Them go dey pay me free money for 1 year.
This guy, you no just get sense. So to go Saudi Arabia play for just 1 season, dey more damaging to your career than to sit for bench inside PSG for 1 whole season.
Yes na.
See, Varane, see. You know see wetin I dey tell you that time? Premier League just get beef with us.
Wetin you mean?
See now, season never even start. Nobody don even play 1 match. And dem don already put us for 14th position, even though say we finish 4th last season.
Oh my God.
Kai, na what to you? So since we start to dey play for Premiership, you never sabi say na alphabetical order na im dem dey take start every new season? Yes na. You no see say for the same table, Man City dey 13th, but na dem be champions.
Okay.
So as this guy dey like this now, na him captain na last season?
I swear me I no just understand am. And no be only last season no. The guy be captain sef before I come this club.
No wonder Man U bin dey go where I no know. And I know say he go follow for the main reason why Ororo comot. Because him no fit dey make person like this guy the captain am.
You wey dey talk, he never captain England before.
Ah! Where Harry Kane and Henderson dey?
Maguire,
Eh?
you don captain England before?
Yes na.
I no think say I don play any match where you captain for England. Unless I be no know say na I be the captain for that match. Because on how I sabi, I go just nationalize go dey play for Indian national team instead of to play for England where you the captain.
Your father there. Don't let make I catch you. Just dey run dey go.